Making a wall level and plumb in a misaligned structure is one of the most time-consuming renovation tasks. For floors and ceilings, I can relevel the entire area with a laser level. But with walls, I have to level and plumb each section one by one, taking care not to rush. Compared to new construction, this takes 2 or 3 times more effort. It's all about taking it one step at a time. It's not an issue if the columns are hidden behind the wall. However, when installing exposed timber next to old timber, quality matters. But the most important thing is making sure the color matches. No matter how well the job is done, if one area stands out, the whole carpentry effort will look bad. The floor and ceiling are installed first, so once the wall is thoroughly plumb and leveled, the room is pretty much set.